the 5th year since we've been dating. Take me to your parents now.
I will, but calm down.
Calm down for how long? Let's go to your parents. Let's go now. Let's just go.
Are you sure?
Let's go now.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. Let's go to your parents.
Fine. Oh, those are my people. This is my village.
No. What's this?
No harm will come to you.
Stop smelling me.
Relax, no harm will come to you.
What? This idiot slapped me.
Relax.
I should relax.
He was only trying to greet you.
With slap?
That's how we greet strangers here.
You carry me, come here.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. Come and meet my parents.
Welcome to Mazambagu, Kandam.
Thank you, sir. Leave my clothes now.
Is you want to marry my daughter, girl?
Yes, Dada.
Ichanda Bobo. Get bucket of Machanda Bumbolo.
What's this for?
Baby, our tradition demands that they are going to slap you each according to their age.
Again?
Baby, be strong for me. Please, they won't hurt you. It's a good luck slap.
I will do it for love.
Baby, be strong. Baby, be strong. This is our last born. He's 30, so he will give you just 3 slaps. He's 40 years old. Strong.
I should be strong.
He's 60 years old.
60?
Baby, be strong. 180 years old. 18 slaps.
I back out. I'm not married again. I'm not married again.
Baby, you can't say that now. Be strong.
You have succeeded and ready to marry our daughter, girl. But one person remaining. Mbokolomadumdum. Mbogini kolomadumdum.
Relax.
Mbokolomadumdum has lived for 5 centuries. He will give you 500 slaps. Mbokolo Madumdum.
Baby, be strong. This is the last person that will slap you.
Sure.
Baby, after now, we are free.
I'm in for you.